Spencer, and in today's video, we're going to be making 3 different types of slime inspired by my new favorite TV show, Mysticons.
Let's do this.
Okay guys, so the first type of slime we're going to make is glitter slime. So I'm going to grab my bowl right here. I'm going to grab some clear glue, and I'm using clear glue so that you can see all the glitter in the slime. And then now I'm going to grab some water. We're going to put baking soda in this water, a heaping tablespoon, and just mix it together. I'm going to pour this into my glue, just mixing it all in. It's not really clear anymore, but like we'll be able to see the glitter. I'm going to put my food coloring in, and I'm going to make the slime purple, so I'm going to mix blue and red together. We're going to be using our contact solution as our activator. And you can see it, it's all like coming together, turning into slime. Just keep mixing it and then adding more if you need to. And then once you think it's like sticky enough or it's the perfect consistency, you're just gonna bring it out and start playing with it. It's awesome. So now I'm gonna add the glitter, and as you can see, it's clear, so we're gonna be able to see the glitter. Push it into kind of a square shape. That's how I like to do it. And I'm gonna grab some glitter, pour it on here. I'm just gonna fold it in. I'm gonna add a little bit more glitter and then just fold it again. So this slime is inspired by the Mysticon lotus flower. It's like purple, golden. I'm just gonna keep kneading it with my hands. It's so satisfying, I love it. So that's how you make glitter slime.
Oh, their stuff is so sparkly.
Okay, so the next type of slime I'm gonna make is golden slime. So I'm gonna grab my bowl. I'm gonna put some clear glue into the bowl. I'm gonna make my baking soda and water mixture again. I'm just gonna pour about half of this into my glue. And then now I'm gonna add some contact solution. So now my slime's like starting to form together. Looks awesome. And then I can start mixing with my hands. We're gonna add some paint to make that golden slime. I'm just gonna start to mix those together. It looks so awesome, and it's so perfect, and it kind of looks like caramel. Okay guys, so that is how you make golden slime.
This place is swagalicious! Yeah, that seemed like it was gonna be way more fun.
Okay guys, so now we are gonna make some foamy slime. So I've got my glue here. I'm gonna make my water and baking soda mixture and pour some in. And then now I'm going to add some shaving cream. And then mix that in a little. And then gradually add more. As you can see, it's already getting foamy. And now if you wanna add food coloring, you can add your food coloring. And I'm going to add some pink. And then mix that in. Now I'm going to gradually add my contact solution. Oh yeah, it's getting so foamy. Looks awesome. And then once you mix it a little bit, it gets less sticky, just because it just needs to be played with. Feels awesome. Feels like a cloud. So this slime is like really fluffy and foamy. It's kind of like Choco.
Relax, Choco. It's just a pile of harmless goop.
And that's how to make Mysticon slime. That's awesome.